Hello, everyone. Welcome to English School. I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hi, everyone. And if you are watching for the first time, please subscribe to English School.
So, Diego, how are you today?
I'm good. A little excited, but good. And you?
I'm great. I love starting the day with English practice.
Yes, and your smile makes the class feel easy.
Diego, really?
Yes, really. Okay, let's start practicing.
All right. Diego, where are you from?
I'm from Madrid. And you?
I'm from Barcelona. Do you like learning English?
I like it, but sometimes I feel shy.
Everyone feels shy in the beginning. Don't worry. We learn slowly, step by step.
Your confidence helps me.
Oh, thank you, Diego. So, shall we go to the classroom?
Yes, let's go.
Look, the class looks very bright today.
Yes, I like the posters, and I like sitting near the window.
Same. Fresh air makes learning easier. Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Please introduce yourselves. My name is Sofia. I'm 18. I love music and I enjoy learning English.
My name is Diego. I'm also 18. I love football, and I want to speak English better.
He's trying very hard. Good. Both of you will work together today. All right, Diego, question time. What's your favorite food?
Spanish tortilla. And yours?
I love pasta.
Next question. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a small white cat. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Bruno.
So cute. Okay, next question. What time do you wake up? Around 7 a.m. And you?
Sometimes 8, sometimes 8:30, if I'm lazy.
I knew it. Good job, both of you. You may take a short break now. Diego, let's go to the cafeteria.
Yes, I'm hungry.
Let's talk in English while we eat.
Good idea.
So, Diego, what's your dream?
My dream is to become a football coach and speak English fluently so I can work anywhere.
That's a beautiful dream.
And you?
I want to travel the world, meet new people, and maybe teach English too.
That suits you. Your voice is calm. People will like learning from you.
Thank you, Diego.
And I still say people should subscribe to English School. It helps us and helps them too.
Yes, practice every day and you will improve.
Today was a nice lesson.
Yes, we learned new sentences and we stayed happy.
If you enjoyed today's practice, please like the video.
And subscribe to English School.
See you in the next class.
Bye, everyone.